I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yes, sir. One of the day, you know, it's a wonderful day. Beautiful day, yeah, man. Don't know the beautiful Turks and Caicos giving thanks to life. Big up to my beautiful country called Jamaica. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing, though. Alright. Now, boy, I don't know what's wrong with them on the head now, you know. Boy, I don't know. NEWLINK? I don't know NEWLINK. What you say now, boy? Because this one are tough. Terrible. I didn't even see I reach NEWLINK now. About this thing that took place up in the Red Hills there now. In the Kingston people. Yeah. Now St. Andrew there. Kingston, same way anyway, no one call it. Yeah. So with this lady now who is 51 years old now, people. Right now she gone away. Yeah. By the man who she think did love her, by the man who she think say yo things that go on, but then maybe to a relationship I go down the drain and she decides say yo things that go on and she not give man look out no more. So let me get into the news now. News I reached NEWLINK now, people, so yesterday now. Right? Early in the morning now. This a man he was a man who there with the human people, but they have some problems which things not really go on now. So maybe a couple of months now he not get no front. You understand? He not get nothing. So I don't know what kind of aisle I ride him now, people, and him decide say yo. Him go over there and argument start people and them say him hold the woman in and tie up the woman firm like how you tie up one big bull cow in people. And it is said that the man, when him tie up the woman, people, he R.A.P.E. the woman. Yes. That's what he did to the lady, 51-year-old, who them say he is the spouse of the woman. You understand? And it is said that when him don't know people, him start put chop on the woman. Yes. After him done doing act, him put chop on the woman. And I bed them like the bed of fire. The woman have a daughter, people, and the daughter like hear the sound and the crying and bawling and try for Russ go in there. When the daughter Russ go in the people, the boy come at the doorway and take him a shit and put one chop in the daughter face. You understand? Then fled the scene. Nobody know where he is, where he gone, you know. But police and a man hunt for this monster who commit this drastical and brutal slaying of this woman. Eh? Imagine. Just because of the woman pum. You understand? Lot of them dirty man ya. Eh? Imagine. In our relationship. Things not work out. Whatever. 51-year-old woman. You got raped. Then chopped to death. Now you're on the run. Eh? Maybe you kill yourself already too. Eh? But it makes sense. Honestly, those stuff like those make sense. Eh? What kind of society are we living in today? I just want to know. What's really wrong with our mankind? In this month, I made them saying somebody said NEWLINK can I know say a leap year. I mean I say leap year. Boy, I really leap year for two. Because the amount of life I see lost in this year. What them call the year 2020, not January. Over even in Belize there now. I see a particular incident where a man brutal slaying of a little 3-year-old boy. You understand, people? And police launch a man on people and them this and that until them find a little piece of something. You know what I mean? So I want to know where mankind really get them art from or something people. Eh? Things like them, yo. You know really, no? Them man art different. Them man art come like it a bake up with baking powder or something, man. Them man art tough. You understand? Like some raw flour, cake up in them art or something. Like they not need the flour right. And I eat it. So the flour just bake up in their heart, make their heart get so wicked and tough and cruel. You understand? Against them own brothers and sisters. Because people, we talking about them, I do the video. Drop the video upon the attack. And talk about the woman who cut the man down so and kill him. You some look at people, NEWLINK are too biased. You know much things woman do, man. Enough woman we see dead out there. A woman set them up, make them dead NEWLINK. And you have pick side for woman NEWLINK. But when the man them a kill off the woman now, one half say. But through one woman kill one man now, because you say the man beat up the woman and something, you know. You them know? Had the woman beat up the man NEWLINK. Had the woman wrong. But the one time now, a woman decide to stand firm and strong and defend herself. That are the talk on I put to NEWLINK. Listen, my man. All wicked and cruel man out there. Few man them can slay on before, no slay them, no slay them. And me not give up and tap talk. You understand? In our case now, if a woman a go arm you as a man, violate now you can defend yourself. But if a man a go get up now and say he want to beat a woman now, come on man, for reason. Watch out now, I boss overtake this, so you should have looked sure. Not like people overtake me certain way, no boy, don't do that again. Me get a license plate number. Get you, I will hold you. Yes people, no joke. So, me don't want nobody tell me nothing sometimes. I mean, I'm NEWLINK the attack boss. You understand? So you don't know the thing of people. Enough love, enough respect. They're the pan a little driving excursion and now. You understand? Me I do a little tour. Me have a guest and me I do a little tour with a guest you know. Cause I guess this come in on the island and they say NEWLINK want to tour the place. So me there tour and me guess just a listen me I do some vlog. You understand? Yeah, they don't want to go on camera so I can't show my guests like that. But then come in and they want the tour. Them book the tour, NEWLINK Island tour and NEWLINK they give them the island tour and just a drive through the place and thing. You understand? So you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers. If you're not ready for your island tour and come in that place, link up. No? NEWLINK. Blessing, enough love, enough respect. Peace out. Don't know. My guest said NEWLINK time is over.
What them a go do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.